CTS-V is down. I saw him. I wasn't recording, but I saw the cop coming on. Look, they're over there everywhere. It's the day after 4th of July. I saw him coming on, and the CTS-V, he came up behind me, and he was just blowing. And I saw the cop coming on the ramp. Damn. I saw him, man. Should have slowed down, man. These people have no awareness, man. That's why I slowed. I was only doing like 75, but I slowed down to 70. Everyone else blew by me. You know, I have the eyes. I can see. Like, I saw him. He was clearly coming on ramp, and the guy didn't care. He just kept speeding up, man. Well.